I'm super excited and super proud to give you a tour of our house. When you enter the house, here is the foyer. We got a sitting area over here. And my favorite part of the house, my office. You got a giant Scrabble board, my Snapchat boogie board. And this one's new. I just got this. This is a foosball coffee table. Mickey and Minnie right there. They own the couch. Got my gumball machine, my crane games, and my pinball machine. I modded it, so there's a lot of Snapchat ghosts hidden in this pinball machine. Yep, my office area. Oh, wait, Rambo's right here. Hi, Rambo. Hi. She's just chilling. Ta-da! This is our living room. We're ready for Christmas. We got our tree all decorated. We have our stockings, and look at this. This is Rambo's stockings. And then over here, we have the bar area. This is our kitchen. That's where we have our breakfast. This is where I don't do the cooking because I can't cook. Look at this. It's a hidden spice rack. On the other side is also a hidden spice rack. You can store a lot of stuff here. And then, hidden dishwasher. And then underneath, if you have a smaller load, another smaller hidden dishwasher. Kind of cool. That is our kitchen. And then over here, you have panoramic windows with our dining table. And here, if we peek through, is the sunroom. We haven't decorated it yet, but soon it will be fully decorated. If you go over here, we have the pantry. Ta-da! We're about to enter my sister's library/game room. We all got to decorate a living area, and this is one of the areas that she decorated. She's still looking for a rug, and I think this room will look complete when there's an area rug right there. The walls used to be light green, and then the ceilings used to be light green, and this actually used to be the cream color. But then she turned this into the cream color and turned this dark green, which looks really good. I like how it turned out. She also got new lights. We got a lot of new lights around the house. And then she got a really nice view of the backyard right here. And I think it's gonna look really good in the spring when the pond is on and the grass is greener. Right now it's frozen. This is the living area that my mom decorated. She has her piano right there. She placed the piano, her favorite green chair. She got a mini sofa right here. Turned out really pretty. Through this long hallway, you have the guest bathroom/powder room. Keep going. And then there's the garage, the laundry room, and then here is the mud room/full bathroom. The upstairs is still yet to be fully decorated. My sister's room, let's take a peek. It's just her bed. And then my room, my bed. Over here, master's bedroom. But the cool thing about this is that it has a balcony view. Ooh, it is cold. With the view of the pond right there. Okay, let's go back in. It's freezing cold. Through here is my mom's bathroom and her closet. This is fun and interesting. Before you enter my bathroom, there's this long hallway full of shelves, which I really like it because I could put my purses in there. And then you enter my bathroom. My sister's bathroom is pretty interesting. Not only does she have 2 showers, she has an interesting space over here, but also she has another room. Look at this. We use it as storage, putting our luggage and shoes, but this is a pretty nice extra room hidden in the bathroom. Then we have an extra room just waiting to be decorated.